of domestic animals. Looking after our animal friends. It's raining so much and it's so great that I'm nice and dry inside my home. Yes, I miss going out to play, but it is good to be dry. This is my pet Max, and Max is a good friend. He plays with me and stays with me all the time. Many of us like to keep animals at home as pets do some work for us. Animals that live with us are called domestic animals. So, animals we keep as pets and farm animals are domestic animals. We need to care and look after domestic animals. Let's look at how we can take care of our pets and farm animals. Just as we build home for ourselves, we must make proper shelters for animals to live in. Max has a kennel. We must make a kennel for our dogs. Fish are kept in an aquarium. Horses are kept in a stable. Cows live in a shed and chickens are kept in cages called as coops. Some of us like to keep birds. We can keep birds like parrots or lovebirds. Some of us even keep pigeons. Birds can be kept in cages. The cage should be spacious with separate dishes for water and food, a swing and a stump to climb upon. This will give the bird some area for movement. The homes of our pets should be kept clean. In fact, we should clean them every day. The dung or droppings should be removed. Animals help us in many ways, and so we have to feed them according to the work they do for us. Good food should be given to domestic animals at the proper time. They should be given clean drinking water daily. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. These animals should be fed on good, rich grass, cotton seeds, and other food which helps in milk production. Animals like camels, donkeys, oxen, and horses carry loads and work on the farm for us. Such animals must be fed with energy-giving foods like grain, oil seeds, etc. Birds like hens and ducks lay eggs and they have to be fed with more body-building foods like seeds and grains. Domestic animals need to eat good food if we want them to be strong, healthy, and energetic. Animals must be kept clean and properly groomed. They should be given a bath when required. Their skin, eyes, and ears should be taken care of. If our animal pets fall sick or get hurt, we must take them to the veterinary hospital immediately. This is a hospital especially for animals. Summary: animals are wonderful creatures that can be real great friends of ours. We must look after our friends. We also should be kind to animals, even the animals that are on the road. We should never beat or ill treat them. If they work for us, we should never make them overwork, and they should be given enough food on time and regularly. Animals are our friends. Keep petting them.